far down I can go. Need a longer stick to get right down into the water. Where are you going, babe? Does it have its hours on there?
It's the weekend.
Yeah, I know they're open until at least 2.
But it's good.
That sucks.
I like singles.
Look how big some of them are, man. Is that guy creeping right there?
They're all about 3-footers.
Oh, the water level's high, so the spillway's pouring the water in. Huh? Oh, that's why. Okay.
Still the winter.
Yeah.
Like the canopies.
Yeah. It's a neat place, man.
The way they do it.
There's some huge ones down there, man. What is she under the stairs?
She didn't want to go down the stairs.
She's just high and lost. I'll try to eat it.
That
That'd be
one's
funny.
fucked up.
Which one?
That one right there. It's bent at the back.
Oh yeah, yeah. I've seen a few of them like that. Tail got good.
No, that's just how they're formed. Fucked up. Just formed the wrong way.
Oh, look at him go! Look at him chasing him. What the shit? You're a jerk. Look at, what a jerk. Still got your cane, baby. Yeah, he's still causing trouble. The one jerk over there, yelling at everybody, chasing them, honking at everybody.
Don't talk about your fight. Oh, don't stick that in his mouth. Okay. You're gonna lose it because he's gonna jump up and bite the fucking camera.
Had a hell of a grip on it. That should make for a good image, maybe. I don't know.
Okay, so bring it.
Yep, I know. Well, next time. Now we know it's April 11th that they open.
No,
Spots on it.
stop for like a whole bag of dog food or
See in
something.
your mouth. It's in your mouth. Yeah, look how much, see how high the water is right now, babe? See the spillway? Before it was barely even at the top of the spillway.
I remember it because the waterfall. Until
But it was dry. Now the water's actually running over it. How big that one is.
Big fish. You build.
I want to see in your mouth.
Sorry, Bill, that's weird. You literally just let him bite the camera.
You gave it a kiss, man.
See, this is gonna be an interesting
Edit.
I want to see what's in the mouth. Oh, let's see, imagine if, let's go get some brighter.
There's nowhere nearby, honey. As far as I know.
Even the kids that were here left because they had no bread.
Yep.
I want to bright bread.
We'll go see the water spilling in. Look at it. Gold. Gold. Taking a break.
Yeah, that was too much. Too fast.
Yeah. We didn't bring your chair either.
Nope.
No, look it. They keep fighting over it.
Yeah, between them and the fish trying to get it.
Oh, there he is. There's a lot in here. See who gets that? No, they didn't see that.
That one.
Oh, that
Yep,
one did.
here he comes. Oh, we missed it.
Yo,
The
he
other
stole
one got
it.
it.
Yo, look at that. I'll feed them a whole load. I know all of them are just
The geese want some too.
Yeah, let's see this. Yo, the geese taking it all.
That big fish is gonna get it.
That's a boy. They're sucking that
one
thing.
just did. Not most of it.
I like the crab. Look how much that catfish.
Yeah, it's 3 hours then, so.
Look at that one.
They're not catfish, they're carp.
I know. I just don't like calling it.
Look, he's up there. Ah, the other one's
I'm
on.
just gonna call it. I'm just gonna call it
Okay.
catfish, but I don't like it.
Up there and see if the geese will follow you.
Wait, I just saw the sucking tube.
You want to get on the side where the fish are at? Someone's on your right hand side.
Yeah, all the fish start fighting on this. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. Look at that. Oh, look at that big one. That one's like the king right there. We gotta feed that one.
Fat, ain't it? Wonder if that's the
Look at-
mama and
that one
maybe
right
it
there.
has babies.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there.
Oh,
It's a gold
there's
one.
a gold one.
No, that's the wrong one.
Did you guys see the gold one?
Yeah,
Yeah,
crazy.
we did.
there's the gold one right there.
Here's a gold one over here.
There.
Over here. Remember, you seen it when it was down there.
Dude, take a whole load. Oh, crap.
Now you gotta pull it apart because they can't get it in their mouth.
I
Pull it
was trying
apart.
to steal it. Oh,
That fishy got it.
one of the, you know the crest one? Yeah, I saw the fish and he was like, ah.
Yeah.
The crest. I smacked one of them on
So
the piece.
pretty.
Right?
When I open it,
Neat.
so there's the ones on
He's like,
Ooh, who's that?
They were both trying to
Why are
get
you
it.
spitting in there? That's not a good idea.
I didn't. He didn't. The
He
fish
did that
did.
once. See, that's a slobber right there.
he's so tight.
It is. Yeah, these are gonna get that one.
Yeah.
That's what I'm pick up. Keep going. Where's
They come.
Where's the orange one?
Yep. He's over there.
Oh, the orange one, he might come up. He sees that.
Oh,
There it goes.
it's right on his head. He's getting it. He's getting it.
Yay! That's so
got
cool.
it.
I'm come back here. This place is awesome. Yo, it's a big
You see
fish.
the orange one?
It's a big fish. Why is he at the
One
bottom?
over there. It's huge, man.
I
He
thought
was
they
just
did
up at
too.
the top a
Did
second ago.
Mommy and Daddy never brought you over here? Or Grandma, or you don't remember none of it?
Yeah. It's fun. Yeah, you
Here,
want
you want to walk down some more?
to
Come on, baby.
We might need to
Yeah, you should have brought me over for it, huh? Now we're gonna have to go to the front
Here's
again.
where the cane left
Yeah,
us.
yeah, it was this corner where the cane went in. Right over there. Went right between these.
Like it couldn't just fall in like this way, right? And hit and bounce off.
Oh wow, yeah, that was almost completely empty. Like the water level was below the top of the spillway. So these are like miniature submarines. What? Me too. On the honkers. Evaluating the targets. That's a big lake, really, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. knot was out of the, it was up out of the water, how low the water was. Yeah, that ridge was completely dry, like it was neat. What's on the other side? Bunch of birds over there. Where you could get across the yeah, you'd have to go all the way back and cross and come all the way over. Well, probably with the wind blowing everything.